Where would you expect to find equipment like microscopes, Bunsen burner, beaker, and Petri dish?
Laboratory.
Which is usually considered against the law. Use of illicit drugs or use of prescribed medication.
Use of illicit drugs.
Computer, telephone, and typewriter. Which one is the first invention?
Typewriter.
What is the job title of someone who works at the beach and save people's lives when they are in danger in the sea?
Lifesavers.
A microscope is used to see what?
Organism, living things.
Before airplanes were invented, how did people travel from America to Europe?
By ship.
Which sense is related to your ears?
Hearing.
Which organ is the blood pumped from?
Heart.
How would you describe an animal that no longer exists on the earth?
Extinct.
A species is described as venomous. What substance does it has?
Venom poison.
What instrument would you use to examine very small life forms?
Microscope.
What do we call the alphabetical list at the end of the book that tells you where to find specific information?
Index.
What is the ground military forces?
Army.
Which one is the odd one out among dog, cat, horse, and shoes?
Shoes.
A newspaper is published every day, and a journal is published every month. What do you call the publication that is published 4 times a year?
Quarterly.